Today, the wife of murdered pizza shop owner Robert Barron took the stand, answering questions about that day 7 years ago when Barron vanished. News Watch 16 Stacey Lang was in the courtroom today and has more on the first day of testimony. Stacey.
Yeah, Lisa, today's testimony took us back to January of 2017 and inside Barron's restaurant, Gigerelli's Pizza in Old Forge. Along with hearing from Barron's wife, we heard about a massive amount of forensic evidence found inside the restaurant after Barron was reported missing. Gigerelli's Pizza is one of the original Old Forge pizza shops. It never reopened after that day in January of 2017 when owner Robert Barron vanished. Testimony in day 2 of the trial for Barron's murder took us inside the restaurant on that day. After Barron was reported missing and after Old Forge police deemed the restaurant a crime scene. Jurors were shown photos of the shop, and to the naked eye, it looked just as it always did. Until prosecutors showed photos of when investigators sprayed a substance called luminol. The chemical glows when it touches a spot where blood has been. A blue glow covered the bar, the walls, and the bathroom. District Attorney Mark Powell described it in his opening statement as a bloodbath that had been cleaned up except for some blood on a baseboard and one of Robert Barron's teeth in a sink. The prosecution is looking to prove Justin Schuback killed Barron inside Gigerelli's in a robbery gone wrong. He was charged with the crime last year after Barron's remains were discovered. Police were called to Gigerelli's in 2017 after Barron's wife Maria reported her husband missing. On the stand, Mrs. Barron told jurors that she and Robert had been separated for years by 2017, but were still friendly. They had dinner the night before. She became concerned when her son told her that Robert had not picked up the daily dough delivery at the restaurant. Justin Schuback's defense team used their cross-examination of Maria Barron to point fingers at other potential suspects. We'll have more on the cross-examination coming up on News Watch 16 at 6.